Hey guys, so welcome back. As promised, this will be another vape video. Because I think it's cool. So basically, this is kind of going to be an unpackaging. This will be the second time that I'm seeing all this juice. I've only been using one, and I'll get right into that. So this is the Melon Twist line Honeydew Melon Chew. And this is what I've been using over the past 3 days. I think I'm actually, I'm basically almost halfway finished this at this point. That's where the line is there. It's a 60 milliliter bottle. This is really good. I was expecting it to be decent, but not my favorite. As it turns out, like I said, it's pretty dang good. Alright, so again, I forget what these look like. This is only the second time, and I've opened this package like 3 days ago. I got 10 juices in total. So what actually happened, hold on a second. I think I left the other bottle in the car, but basically what had happened, and the juice that I had been using might actually be in here somewhere, was this Verdict Pink. Watch me pull it out. Yep, here we go. So they sent this one in advance. This is the Verdict line. It's pink, obviously 3 Nick, because that's what I use. I don't go higher than that. I tried 6 Nick before, and let's just say, girl, it did not work for me. Although I might eventually up it. We'll have to see over time. But they sent this one early, and then this one came in the package. So I'm not sure if it was a mistake or if it was a gift or whatnot, but that's basically what happened. So, first juice, or I guess you could say juices, I am actually pretty close to finishing this one too. I got about a third of it left because this is really, really good. So, this one tastes like what you would imagine honeydew melon gum would taste like. I thought it was just going to be straight up honeydew taste for some reason, even though it says honeydew melon chew at the bottom. I don't know what I was thinking. This one tastes like if you've ever had strawberry watermelon together. It is so flavorful. Like, I'm not even kidding, guys. And then, so that's the first juice. This one, I tried a little bit of a taste to see if I wanted to go with this or this. But I wanted to try something different. This tastes a little bit like, I want to say grape and blueberry. Not blue raspberry. Blueberry. It's pretty good. I'm probably going to try that one next. I got to get more coils, so I was going to do that with my brother in Philly. But as I go along, now that I'm here and I'm finally making the video, it's taking me long enough. I'm going to try some of these on camera. Obviously, I already have the honeydew melon in my tank still, so I'm just going to try like a little bit, like a little drizzle. That's really good. By the way, this is Rainbow Drops by Aqua. It's another 60 milliliter. I got a lot of 60 milliliters because they were on sale. They were originally about $14.99, and I got them for about $7 from a Fuggin Vapors. Yeah. This time it actually came with a tattoo, which is pretty cool. It's a temporary tattoo, of course, but it's nice. And then Fuggin also came out with this new sticker. I have never seen this one before in the, 5 or 6 times that I've ordered from these guys in the past year. I know it's a lot, and I always order like 5 juices, but this time I got 10, because again, $7. I got about $250 worth of stuff for about $70, I think it was. I don't even know where the receipt went. It really don't matter, but that's what I know. So, for the Aqua Rainbow Drops, as literally, this does taste like the rainbow. It tastes like Skittles. That's what I was told before. It says sweet and fruity drops, but it's literally like Skittles. Now for these next two. I am hit or miss with Naked, the Naked brand, specifically because I don't like the glass bottles, and sometimes the flavors are kind of funky. I think they have one called Brain Freeze or something like that, and it's basically like a cool minty, blue raspberry and a hint of strawberry. So this one that I'm gonna try is actually triple strawberry. I think I might have tried this one before, a long time ago, but I love anything strawberry. Oh my gosh. So this is supposed to be strawberries and cream. I can tell without even having to look at the bottle. I'm literally making a mess over here, guys. This is gonna be a lot of nicotine. Like the time that I had that before and I broke it all over me because it shattered at my feet. That was not fun. And it got all over my pants. Let's just say that. While I was at work, no less. And I don't bring a spare change of pants, which I gotta start doing. That's triple strawberry and cream. I thought it was gonna taste more cream. I'm kinda glad that I don't. Straight up strawberry. And that is thick, boy. So this next one I'm gonna try is Amazing Mango. By the way, triple strawberry, Amazing Mango. I actually really like this. I generally tend to like all fruity flavors for the most part, except for anything that's too strong on grape, because for some reason with grape and me, we don't settle together. This Amazing Mango, perfect. It tastes like you just picked a fresh mango. I'm not even kidding, guys. That's insane. So, they are both, I want to say 60 milliliters? Come on. Yeah, they're 60. And that's not bad for a considerable price. All this juice is going to last me a long time. 1 second, guys. I'm struggling for real. Struggling to get that off. So, this right here was the one that I was most excited about. It's strawberry blueberry ice cream from the line Sweet. By the way, I'm not hit or miss with them. I am definitely a hit. So, this is the strawberry and blueberry ice cream. All of a sudden, it feels like my mouth got 10 times cooler. Like I literally just ate ice cream. I taste more blueberry than strawberry in that, though. Again, I'm not vaping all these, so I'll let you know how it goes. If you guys have questions, comments, or concerns, of course, leave them down below, please. And yeah, for some reason, I don't know what it was, but basically there was a seal. I broke the top of the box. Oh well, sue me. Please don't, guys. I ain't got the money for that. But no. That's pretty good. I'm gonna start putting this back in. Again, trying not to break the glass. Again, that was from the line Sweet. That's actually really good, but I taste like more blueberries and cream, kind of ice cream, rather than the strawberry. It's there, I'm guessing probably more so on the exhale, because I didn't get it until the aftertaste. So, this is supposed to be from the line Rocket Punch. It's 120 mils, and it's Blue Raza Thunderbomb, or Blue Raza Thunderbomb. So this is supposed to be icy blue raspberry. I like the packaging on this. Well, that's the thing too. Just a side note, if you guys are already vaping, you probably already know this. But if you're looking to switch, vaping is a lot better. But when you have dark juices like that, your coils don't always last as long, and that's why I try and go with the lighter flavor or lighter colored juices like the Verdict Pink, because I actually got about, I'm gonna say 2 weeks before I switched over, of course, to this bad boy here, the Honeydew Melon Chew, and my coil was perfectly fine. Then I put this in, and it's darker, and my coil's already going bad. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So yeah, just be wary of that in your vaping journeys. I'm not trying to scare you away, because I'd prefer everybody to vape rather than smoke. But, you know, of course, like the one YouTuber says, if you don't smoke, you know, or if you do smoke, vape. And if you don't vape or smoke, get off that crap, because you shouldn't be here. Unless you're looking to start smoking and you want to vape, so that way it cures the urge. Anyhow, this is from the line Drippin' Vape, 60 mils, 3 nic, of course. All of these are 3 nic, like I said. You won't go higher than that generally. So this is strawberry melon. That tastes very, very salty. Like, I taste straight up salt in this. I know it's a salt nic, but still. If you like the taste of salt, by all means, get this, because it tastes very salty. I'm gonna have to try that one out in my vape. By the way, if I go over, like, the flavors so far, and I rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being amazing, and 1 being, like, the worst. This is really good. I like this the best, especially because I've been vaping it. This will give, I'm gonna say 9 out of 10 for amazing. I vaped on this a lot because I like the flavor and I was too cheap to go out and buy another juice. I'm gonna give this about an 8.8. It's good, but it does get a little bit old after a while. This bad boy here, just from trying it, taste testing it and whatnot, I'm gonna give this probably a solid 9.2 because it's amazing. Now, look at me rating it with all the points and stuff, because if you guys want to see a good vape channel, look up mountainvapors.com if you want to, see other products besides what's on Fuggin Vapors, because they have some of the best stuff. But RKHTV, he is a great YouTuber. Ryan Hill, check him out, please. Just for me. The Blue Raza, Icy Blueberry. I gotta try this one again because that salt's still in my mouth from the straw melon. I'm probably gonna give this like a 5 for now. We'll have to see. This is this is the same. I could give this probably a 7 just from taste testing it, but I would actually have to try it out in my vape because this one tastes a little bit salty too. Maybe that's just the strawberry, but I don't know. The Amazing Mango and the Triple Strawberry. Triple Strawberry is a solid 9.8, specifically because I love the way I tasted it as soon as it was in my mouth. That sounds wrong, but I think you guys get the message that I'm trying to convey here, right? And this one, the Berry Burst, I don't think I actually showed that one yet. This one tastes more like grape, and again, I'm not too big on grape flavors, but for the quality of the grape, if you actually like it, I'm going to say that's about an 8.2. Again, 5 for the Drippin' Vape Strawberry Melon. For the Strawberry Blueberry Ice Cream from the line Sweet, this is actually really good. I'm going to give this probably about an 8.5 though, because it's not like my favorite thing in the world, but it's still pretty amazing. So this last one that I have, by the way, both of these are again by Drippin' Vape, 120 mils, but they come in 60 milliliter bottles, as you guys saw for the strawberry melon. I don't know why they've done that, but it's more convenient, I guess. This one is the Magma Flow. I forget what this is supposed to be again. It's supposed to be sort of like coconut, and I think like just tropical, like what you would imagine in Hawaii. Let's try this bad boy out here. Get a little bit more on my finger. Yeah. I think I found the perfect coconut vape juice. Oh my gosh, guys, if you like coconut, go out and get this Drippin' Vape right now. It's on Fuggin Vapors. I'm sure you could find it probably on Mountain Vapors too. But this Magma Flow, it tastes like a pina colada. I think that's what they were trying to go for. I forget exactly what it said on the website, but it's amazing. This right here, for being coconut, this is a 9.7. 9.7. That's pretty high in my book. Oh my gosh, guys. Literally, I am having a heart attack right now because I think that's the best. Oh, and I still have yet to find the perfect pina colada, but that comes pretty damn close. I've actually never tried pina colada vape juice before, but really quick, let me show you what the box looks like. So because I got 10 juices, it came in an actual packaging box rather than the Fuggin vapor box. But basically, this is with all the juice that I have. Add that in there. That's what it looks like. The glass bottles from Naked are wrapped up in bubble wrap, which I'm glad they did that because, you know, you don't want it to burst. There's the aqua. Just look at all that pretty array, though. And then if you throw in the melon, which I've been vaping on. As you guys can tell, I really like color. I kind of wasn't that excited to do this video, I'm not going to lie at first. But as I went along, I had a lot of fun going over all this stuff. So, as always, again, questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Like and subscribe this video, it helps me out a lot. I don't make any money from doing this. I'm not big enough on YouTube yet, of course, but I hope to one day be able to, you know, be bigger on YouTube or whatnot, and have a lot of people follow me. So if you have any video suggestions at all, please leave them down below. By the way, thank you to the YouTuber, Hannah. I believe it's Hannah again. Hi, Hannah. Shout out to you for encouraging me to make this video today. I actually just got done at the gym after work, and it was a long day. I really didn't want to do anything. But now, for my nose piercing, I'm going to go get my lazy butt up and put on the sea salt water / tea tree oil concoction to help, because I actually ended up with a little bit of a keloid. You probably can't see it now because for the most part it's stopped swelling, because I'm taking a lot more care of it. But again, as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Keep on rocking, and if you're vaping, keep on vaping. Don't go back to smoking if you are a former smoker. I never was personally. Tried one cigarette, I thought that was disgusting. I don't know how my family does it. And honestly, guys, stay safe out there. There's a lot of crazy crap going on. Bye, guys. Peace.